attempt to solve these tiny Rubik's cubes. I probably won't. So we'll see how long it takes us. Alright, ready? Go. Someone just texted me. I don't even know.
Someone texted me too.
I don't even know what, like, how to start. Oh wait, that's.
These don't turn very well.
I don't care. I'm gonna zone anyway.
Mine's broken.
Cheater, no, it's not.
Yeah, it won't turn. Who came up with these things?
Your mom.
Stupid head.
We're totally like.
I made a Y.
I made
Y.
We recorded the grand.
Can I just peel off the stickers?
Don't do that's cheating.
I don't really think that's fair.
Still have a Y.
Pressure me!
I don't even know how like to start.
Mine don't turn.
Yeah, no, anyone can do one side.
I can't.
That.
I can't even know what to do.
Go grab one that song.
Same
This is so slow.
Same day?
We didn't
Did you guys pee together too?
Hey, I did.
I can't do it. Oh my god.
You will not turn away.
I did it!
What? Two turned into one. Yes.
Genius.
Oh, how long was that? Like less than a minute, I think.
34 seconds.
Oh, we're so good. I mean.
And I had a text message.
Nice.
Epic fail.
Look, you were one step away.
One step away, Diego.
One turn away.
Damn the Rubik's Cube.
What is this? This one isn't even like set up properly.
We got defeated by the Rubik's Cube. Okay.
No.
Bye.
I don't know what's going on.
Damn the Rubik's Cube.